In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Meta Business Suite account. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional workspace ready to manage your Facebook assets in one place. Before we begin, make sure you have three simple things. First, a personal Facebook account you can log into. This is just used to verify you as the admin. It doesn't make your personal profile public or visible to customers. Second, a business email address you can access right now since Meta will send a verification link. Third, if you already have a Facebook page you want to manage, great. If not, that's fine. Meta lets you add or create one later during or after setup. Let's get started. Open your preferred web browser and head to business.facebook.com. This is Meta's official hub for Business Suite. If you see any marketing pages or product tours, just continue to the main site at that address. Next, log in using your personal Facebook account. Again, this is only to confirm your identity and connect your admin permissions. Your personal posts and friends do not carry over to the business side. Once you're logged in, look for the option to create a business account. Click Create Account. A short form will appear asking for three details. Enter your business name, which should be the name you want visible across your business tools. If you're a freelancer or solo owner, use the name Clients Recognize. Your own name will be auto-filled from Facebook. Then add your business email address, the one you can open immediately. Review everything for accuracy and click Submit or Next. Now, switch to your inbox. Meta will send a verification email to the address you entered. Open that message and click the confirmation link to verify. If you don't see it, give it a minute, then check spam or promotions. It helps to complete the verification in the same browser where you started and do it promptly in case the link expires. After confirming, you'll land in the Meta Business Suite dashboard. This is your central workspace to manage Facebook pages, run ads, handle messages and comments, view insights, and organize assets, all from one place. If you didn't connect a page earlier, you'll find clear options here to add an existing page you manage or create a new one later. You can also organize your business details and set up roles for your team at your own pace. That's it. You've created a Meta Business Suite account. Bookmark businessfacebook.com for quick access, keep your business email secure, and you're ready to manage your presence more efficiently.